All right, I got a special treat today. I'm gonna make cheese crackers on the smoker. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I cut up some cheese into little cubes so they'll melt down and make the crackers. So I've got mozzarella, I've got medium cheddar, and I've got Monterey Jack all prepared and ready to go. And we're gonna put them on pizza stones in the oven or in the smoker. And on top of the pizza stones, we're gonna do parchment paper, and that way they don't stick. And we're gonna set it to about 220 degrees and for about 40 minutes. That's how long it took in the oven doing the same procedure. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some parchment paper here. I'm gonna put it on the stone, and let's just do cheddar on this one. We'll spread them out a little bit, make sure they don't melt into each other. Pretty simple process. I really like these easy recipes because, you know, they're fun and they do the job, so why not? And these are really tasty, good, healthy treat, especially if you like keto and things like that. Love cheese. Okay, let's see how that does. So I'm gonna go put that on. All right, we're gonna get ready on the second one. Of course, I'm gonna have to hold this down a little bit as I go because it's starting to get windy. So that makes it super awkward. The weather in Utah has been like less than predictable lately, but it's good for the environment right now. Just not good for planning. Okay. So there's another tray. So I'm gonna get that in the smoker as well. Okay, so I'm putting them on the grill right now. As you can see, it's a little windy, so this is super awkward. Okay, so there's the first one. And then here's tray number 2 in the smoker. I think I'm just gonna start loading them in the smoker itself now because of the weather. Might be a little easier. Okay. I'm gonna give that about 5 minutes and then I'm gonna check it and make sure the temperature is at the right level. Running it for a few minutes and you can see it's right there about the 225-ish mark. So that's right about where we're gonna want it. So we're just gonna keep an eye on the temperature and we're gonna leave them in for about 30 minutes and check them every once in a while, see how they're doing. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Ooh, and they're starting to get somewhere, hey? So I'd say the cheddar turned out better. So we're gonna take these off and we're gonna put some more in. All right, so our cheese treats are finished. So I took them off the smoker and I've dried them out and put them in a container here. And as you can see, they turned out amazing. Some of them, just to show you, it turned out a little bit crunchy. And some of them turned out a little more gooey. But you know what? They all taste delicious. You should really try this recipe for yourself. It tastes awesome. It's easy to do. Let me know if you like this video. And we'll catch you in the next one.